Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at the YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $10,300 level. We are currently ranked at 232. We are having a market cap of about $343 million. We have a 24-hour volume for about $84 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis, and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So in the last 24 hours, YFI is just down about 0.1%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart. So we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source. So for YFI right here, we have been monitoring this pattern, which was a massive consolidation or a push to the downside consolidation and then a massive breakout. We're seeing the same thing was happening right here, consolidation to the downside or a push to the downside, consolidation, and we have been expecting this sort of massive breakout towards the $12,400 level right here. As you can see right here, everything is happening exactly as predicted right here. We said in our last video, expect some sort of consolidation right here at this level and expect a breakout towards that $12,400 level. As you can see, everything is happening exactly as predicted. We saw that breakout. Currently, we are seeing this sort of slow grind into that $12,000 level, right? So we are seeing everything going exactly as predicted, and in a few days, we could see the price of YFI touch that $12,400 level. If we just bring over our EMAs, as you can see, our EM is confirming the fact that we are still bullish with our bullish EMA right here. As you can see, let's get the drawings out. As you can see, our EMA is also showing that we are continue to remain bullish. The trending EMAs are bullish. We also are above the macro EMA and above our bull market EMA. And we said so far this continues to occur. The price of YFI continues to remain bullish, expecting higher. Also, just looking at the volume profile continues to show us massive volume coming in. Also, massive momentum coming in right here for the YFI coin, showing that we are still bullish, expecting higher price targets right here for YFI. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, and if you want to support us, the links are in the description right here for the Buy Me Coffee link. Thank you for doing that, and have a blessed day.